He wants to get out, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Why do you keep him like that? My dog was just like this, but we kept it like outside, and that's why I kept it running like this. It wants to be free. Let it free for once. Yeah. Can I pet him?
Sure.
You're sniffing me. Oh God. Jeez. Oh. Wait. Calm down. Jeez. He thinks my hand's a treat for him. I didn't. When I put the camera on him sometimes, he gets scared. Tom. You don't want to calm down?
Quítate eso, que yo no tengo.
Te tienen cosas para limpiar, como un treat. Wait, do dogs eat like cookies or something?
But he'll get diarrhea.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's not under the cardboard?
It's a cardboard. He used to have his thing down there, you know, if we could sit, but it got dirty, so I took it out. I had to clean it.
Is he a puppy?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why he's hyper. I know he thinks my hand is a treat. Ow.
Te murió, niño.
Y tiene los dientes bien filados, el chiquito este. Es un puppy nada más, pero que muerde. A mí me muerde también. Le gusta jugar, los dientes que son filaditos, puntaditos. They're pointy.
My dog tried to bite me.
Yeah. He bites me all the time.
Why does he even do that in the first place?
What you mean?
Why does he bite you?
He's playing.
Right now I'm literally recording this dog. What is his name?
Mateo.
What? Mateo?
Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
My dog was like, Ma, Bella
Bella.
Bella? ¿Cuántos años él tiene?
No tenía un año. Tenía como-
¿Era Poppy todavía?
No, era una prima.
Oh, pues eso sí que puede ser más duro.
She was this big.
Oh,
She was like a dog dog.
es
Sí.
un Poppy nada más.
She lets me pet her, but she doesn't bite. She doesn't bite that much. Only if she's like, it's like somebody she doesn't know
Yeah,
and wants to pet her, she will bite. Like
yeah.
she automatically bites because self-control. Yeah. Usually we have to teach her self-control, but she's not here anymore. She didn't die, but what's on this collar? What's on this collar?
His name. Let me see. Oh, see if we have his name.
If my dog was here, they both would play together. If I brought my dog here, they would probably just fight each other.
Amanda, where are you? At your school? Yeah, I can pick you up. Can you wait for a minute? Cause I'm in the dentist with I'm in the dentist's office with Crystal. I'm gonna pick you up right now. I'm gonna pick you up. Get down there.
Bye, Mateo.
Siéntate, amor.
Yeah, sometimes does it bite through the bed?
No. Wait up, Mateo. Hey, listen. I gotta go get my other girl. Can you tell Crystal to wait for me here?
So guys, that was the interview with a dog. Ow. That was doing a great job.
I'll be back for that.
So, yeah. That was my interview with Mateo, the dog.
No te gusta estar tocando su perro.
Hey, you want the pedo?
Pasa la mano.